Okay, hey, see what I've just discovered. There is actually a street market very close to Waterloo. It's very good to get familiar with your environment. I've always been to Waterloo station, but I've never taken time to go walk around. So today I discovered this place called Lower Marsh Market, where you have varieties of different food from across the world. So I'm just getting my regular shawarma, lamb shawarma actually, because I've missed it for a long time now. Is yours specific to where or just general? Your setting, is it specific to a particular country or is just normal? Yours is just normal. Okay. So you guys are always here Monday to Friday, every day of the week. All right, interesting. Yeah.
Once they're fully trained and know what they're doing. Try it. Huh? Try it. Who'd you get? I got a where is it? Tesco's.
My Niger stand. Ooh, look at that. Hello. I'm not getting your face, please. Just wow. So I never knew spot like this is here. So this is Nigerian food here, very close to Waterloo station. You can have pawpaw, plantain, vegetable soup, chicken, and enjoy yourself. So these are open places where you can sit down if you want. Okay, it's really very sunny here. I'm just sitting in the open space. Time to enjoy my shawarma.